It says which statement is correct. So any answers from your side? No one?
Sir, C.
C. Okay. I too agree to C because A is wrong because total internal reflection can have two possible conditions. One was when light travels from a more dense medium to less dense medium. That is, it can be traveling from glass into air, not from air into glass. So that is why A is wrong. B, if we talk about B, then it says refractive index and critical angle. So the refractive index and critical angle are not exactly directly proportional. They are inversely related. According to the formula, refractive index equal 1 over sine C. That means if one increases, the other should decrease. However, if we talk about C, this appears right because we are discussing a reflection here, and in reflection, incidence is always equals to reflection. How about D? Why is D wrong? Because angle of incidence should be greater than the critical angle for total internal reflection to occur. Part 2 says light traveling in glass is incident on a glass air boundary. The angle of incidence of the light is greater than the critical angle. Which arrow shows the direction of the light after it is incident on the boundary? So, any answers here?
B.
B. D is wrong because they are discussing the process of total internal reflection since they clearly mentioned that angle of
Sir, B
incidence.
for ball.
Yeah,
B for ball.
angle of incidence should be greater than critical angle, so D is wrong. If we talk about C, C is basically critical angle.
Sir, ball wala B.
Yes, beta, I acknowledge that you are talking about B. I'm explaining why others are wrong. Okay, so B is right because in B reflection is happening and incident angle appears to be more equal to reflective angle. However, A is also reflection, but here angle of incidence is not equal to angle of reflection. Then we can move on to part 3. It says light strikes the top of the surface, as we can see, at an angle of 15 degrees as shown. So the refractive index is 1.5. So how would I calculate angle of refraction? So first I need to work out angle of incidence. That would be basically 90 minus 15. Am I right? Hello?
Ji, sir.
So this would be 75 degrees, that is angle of incidence here. And I know refractive index, that is 1.5. And then I need to work out angle of refraction. So I can use the formula 1.5 is equals to sine angle of incidence over sine angle of refraction. So it becomes sine angle of refraction equals to sine 75 over 1.5. So sine 75 divided by 1.5 comes out to be 0.643. So I can write sine angle R as 0.643. But if someone is writing anything on the chart, please unmute yourself and talk to me. 0.643. So sine inverse of 0.643 is 40.08. That is option C. But is this thing understood to everyone? Hello?
Ji, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Jazakallah. Then part 4, it says light passes from air into a glass block of refractive index 1.5. So what is the angle of refraction in the glass and what is the critical angle? So refractive index is given, that is 1.5, and angle of incidence is given, that is 57 degrees. So if first I need to work out angle of refraction, I can do the same working and directly if I calculate, it would be angle R, that is sine inverse of sine 57 over 1.5. So sine inverse of sine 57 over 1.5. So it comes out to be 33.9 degrees, that is 34 degrees. That means either A or B is fine. So then how would I calculate critical angle? I can use the formula N equal 1 over sine C. So N is 1.5, Now sine C is unknown. C is unknown here. So I can write C is equals to sine inverse of 1 over 1.5. So sine inverse of,
Sir, answer is A.
answer comes out to be A, that is 41.8, that is, yeah, 42 degrees. So these two conditions are of valid here, so answer comes out to be A. But is this working understood to all of you? Any questions from anyone? Can I move on?
Ji, sir.
Okay. I guess Hamza is talking and Hamza don't need any explanation. Okay. Part 5, it says a ray of light travels from X to Y, okay, along an optical fiber. The angle of incidence at Y is greater than the critical angle. In which
C.
direction does the ray of light travels after reaching point Y? So if we are talking about total internal reflection happening, exactly, it would be C, because it appears more here that angle of incidence would be equals to angle of reflection. Good. Then 6. A wave in a ripple tank passes from a deeper to a shallower region and refracts. Deeper to a shallower region. Which wave properties decrease as the wave enters the shallow region? Any ideas?
E.
See, frequency is never dependent upon the medium, but wavelength and speed can change. So, especially speaking here, since we talk about the relation that is V equal F lambda. So, if we say discuss the speed in a deeper region. So in a deeper region, wave speed is more. Am I right? In a shallower region, wave speed decreases. So accordingly, if V increases, wavelength increases, since this has to be constant. So if V decreases, so what happens here? It should decrease. Am I right? So is it B or is it D?
D. D.
D, doctor. That's great. Okay. 1 minute. Who is this writing in chat? Oh my god. Yes, Amar, we can do that. Please don't ask me how. I just bought a new generator since my light is not stabilizing after this rain. It says a ray of light is incident on the surface of a glass block as shown in the diagram below. Okay. So this one is a bit tricky question. It says the refractive index of the glass is 1.5. Hamza, Usaid, Anik, what's the answer here?
17.
Usaid goes 17. Hamza, Anik, any answers? No? So that is absolutely correct. Wonderful. Since this is 45 degrees, that is not angle of incidence. This should be angle of incidence. So this is again 45 because this hole is 90 degrees. So angle I comes out to be 45 first. Then we need to work out angle R. So this angle R can be calculated according to the previous approach. What we did previously was angle R is equals to sine inverse of sine 45 over 1.5. So angle R would be, I guess, 22. So sine
नहीं
45.
sir,
Yes,
28 होगा.
28 over.
फिर 28 को 45
Yeah,
करें.
28.12. Yeah, it comes out to be 28.12 degrees. Then if C, this
Minus 45.
needs to be clarified here. They are asking X. So this angle R comes out to be 28.12. So this entire angle would be 45 according to the concept of what you say. Vertically opposite angles, am I right? Am I saying it correct?
जी sir.
What we can also say C here is, let me show you that. This dotted line basically is the continuation of this line. So this angle with the vertical would be still 45. So if this was 22.18, 28.12, then this should be 45 minus 28 0.12. That comes out to be 70 degrees. Okay. Then it says, beta, is this understood? Hello?
जी
Yes, sir.
जी सर
Jazakallah. That's so nice. Then it says in part 8, an image is formed by thin converging lens when it is used as a magnifying glass. What is the correct description of the image? Magnifying glass, then thin converging lens. So, any answers?
C. Virtual and direct.
The virtual and erect. Okay, A is an inappropriate answer, am I right? It can never be real and it can never be erect at the same time. So either it can be real and inverted or virtual and erect. So A is wrong. If we talk about B, real and inverted, then that goes with the cases that when your when your thin converging lens is not basically used as a magnification tool, then we are talking about, since the question relates it to a magnifying glass, then B is wrong. So only correct option here is C. D is still wrong because a virtual image can never be inverted using a single convex lens. Okay. Then it says, yeah, the rays of light are incident on the boundary between a glass block and air. The angle of incidences are different. What is a possible critical angle for the light in the glass? So,
C
45.
C.
45 C
C and B.
C
So as I can see this, they are increasing angle of incidence. Yeah, I do agree to this, 20 and 40 degrees. So you can see refracted ray here, refracted ray here. But when they go beyond 40 degrees, that is 50 degrees. So you see reflected ray, not refracted ray. That means somewhere between 40 and 50, critical angle was there. Am I right? So the
यस
only answer between 40 to 50 is available. That is 45 degrees. Do we get this? Okay. Then, yeah. Question 10. So it says a solid plastic cylinder is immersed in a liquid of refractive index 1.4. Light traveling in the plastic cylinder strikes the inside surface at an angle of incidence of 70 degrees. The light undergoes TIR. What are the values of the critical angle in the plastic and the refractive index of the plastic? So how would I do that?
D
सर सी होगा इसका आंसर, क्योंकि क्रिटिकल एंगल लेस होगा, क्योंकि इस पे टोटली इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्ट हो रही है, तो इससे कम पे क्रिटिकल एंगल होगा.
Excellent.
और
Good.
कहते हैं रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ग्रेटर देन 1.4 होगा, क्योंकि ये वाला एरिया जो प्लास्टिक है वो डेंसर है, इसीलिए टोटल इंटरनल
Excellent.
रिफ्लेक्शन
Good.
है.
More dense and this is less dense. So absolutely correct. Is this thing understood to everyone? Hello? See, no one answers to you, sir. Hello?
जी सर
Okay, Jazakallah. I guess we can keep our class to 3 people only, am I right? Or 2 people? Usaid Hamza and me. Image of the diagrams is the path of the light ray, not correct. That means only one is wrong, rest are all okay. So starting with A, is it correct? Light enters from water to air. Is that correct?
No.
It's not correct. Okay. Then this is the answer. Please explain, beta, why you say that this is incorrect.
क्योंकि जब
सर इसका आंसर तो C होगा
लेफ्ट डी होगा आंसर.
B.
डी.
B for
डी फॉर
ball.
डॉग.
D for dog.
डी फॉर डॉग.
जी सर डी होगा इसका आंसर
90 डिग्री पे हो रही है,
That
फिर भी
means
रिफ्लेक्ट
beta
हो रही है.
Usaid A is correct. Am I right? A is correct. Because this is water that is more optically dense as compared to air, so it should bend away. This is fine. If we talk about B, we say incident ray here, then it appears good reflection. Then this part.
Oh.
What about this part? Never saw this. C is fine, am I right? C, because perpendicular entry straight, then more dense to less dense, away from the normal, this is fine. If we talk about D, perpendicular entry, perpendicular exit, perfect. Within this, there is refraction, this is fine. So C, B is wrong. So correct answer is B, ball.
How, sir?
See,
पी के
here,
अंदर बाहर जब जा रही है तब वो रिफ्रैक्ट नहीं हो रही,
yeah, this is glass,
straight
this
जा
is
रही है.
air. Had they marked 90 degrees here, just see this. Had they marked something like this would be correct
सर
also.
डी गलत है ना,
Sorry?
सर तो मिस्टेक भी तो हो सकती है।
डी होगा ना आंसर, क्योंकि डी में वो 90 डिग्री पे लाइट पड़ रही है, फिर भी रिफ्रैक्शन शो की भी है उन्होंने।
हाँ शायद सही कह रहा है, शायद बी में कोई
जी
वो एरर होगी, मतलब इमेज की एरर होगी।
बी तो सही है, बी पे 90 डिग्री से स्ट्रेट निकल गई बाहर।
I need to see this. So how can I, pause the recording? Yeah. Yeah. See, since here it enters 90 degrees, I missed this part. This reflected here equally. Since this is a process of reflection, so they would be equal angles. So this should always emerge out at 90 degrees. So this is fine. This is by default understood that if it strikes here, reflects at a particular angle that is exactly the same as the angle of incidence, it should leave at 90 degrees. This is fine. However, D is wrong because here I can see diffraction. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Can I move on? Is this thing understood?
yes, sir.
Okay. Hamza, is this thing clear? Anik, is this thing clear?
जी सर.
Yes, sir.
Sehran, I guess. Okay. Then we see the diagram shows two divergent rays of light from an object O being reflected from a plane mirror. At which position will the image be formed? So what you can do? Any ideas? Image would be formed where?
सर बी होगा।
E. Why?
सर
How
बस ऑब्जेक्ट के ऑपोजिट होना चाहिए ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ द।
Exactly, because we learned the characteristics of the image that is formed by a plane mirror, that is at equal distance at the same side. So B can be located in that place. So reflected rays can be traced out here. Am I right? That means here is the observer. Hello, am I right? Am I clear?
जी sir.
जी सर, जी सर.
Okay. Then 13. It says up. What? Yeah. A pin is placed in front of and to the right of a plane mirror as shown. Where is the image of the pin? So this is pin. Where is the image?
सी।
सी।
C is the image.
यस
जी सर, सी.
C is the image. Okay. So I believe there is no mirror here. Am I right?
मेरा है पूरा सर।
नहीं
Mirror
इधर
is
नहीं है
here.
mirror।
Hello. So how can you have an
जी
image
sir.
when you don't have a mirror?
और वो जो आई का जो एंगल है जिससे वो देख रहा है, तो उस एंगल से वो मिल रहा है और वहां पर मिला है।
Let's see.
सर आंख से जो रे एक्सटेंड होगी तो वो सी पे जाके लगती है ना.
This is what I wanted to show. If I draw here, you know, here like this. So this goes to C. Am I right?
B.
So location of the image is at hello.
C.
E. Okay, thank you. Moving on, where were we? Yeah, here. So it says then the diagram shows a ray of light from one point on a lamp is striking a plane mirror. Okay, the image of the point on the lamp formed by the mirror is image of the point on the lamp. So what you see here is the diagram shows a ray of light from one point on a lamp is striking a plane mirror. Any ideas?
सर बी होगा.
B. Why B?
सर एक तो क्योंकि इमेज पी पे होगी और दूसरा क्योंकि इरेक्ट होगी तो रियल हो नहीं सकती तो वर्चुअल होगी तो बी होगा.
And who is this?
सारिम.
Sarim. Finally, you unmuted yourself. Wow, congratulations. What about Usaid? And what about Hamza? And what about, who was there? I was talking to someone else. Let's talk to some,
Just say
Yeah.
B होगा.
Abdul Rahman,
B
Ali
होगा सर.
Noor, Anik, Uzaim, Ayan, Shahun, Kabir, Zayan. Only 14 out of 24 are here. Oh my God. Yeah, so B, majority is right here.
जी सर. जी सर.
B होगा सर.
Image is at T and it is virtual. Yeah, obviously speaking, if we talk about, the construction mechanism, what we discuss here, if we draw a normal here and then we measure that angle and, you extend it here, it is exactly goes at P. So B, that is at P and is virtual. Okay, that's good. Then we talk about, 15. It says, yeah, this one is also a bit tricky. It says a ray of light enters a glass block at an angle of incidence I, producing an angle of refraction R in the glass. Several different values of I and R are measured, and a graph of sine I over sine R is drawn here, and which graph is correct?
सर I guess इसका A होगा.
A होगा सर इसका.
जी सर.
Everyone A?
क्योंकि जब सर I की जब वैल्यू इंक्रीज होगी तब R की डिक्रीज होगी.
If I increases, then R decreases. Hamza, you're saying
गलत कह रहे हैं सर. दोनों साथ इंक्रीज होंगे.
yes. If if you're saying that if I increases and R decreases, then it can never be A, because A shows direct relationship between I and R.
अच्छा हाँ नहीं सर बल्कि मैंने भंड मार दिया थोड़ा सा.
So sine, if you work out this, that's the formula. Am I right? So this remains constant for a particular media. That means if we shift sine angle R and write constant here equal to sine angle I, so this equation leads us to what? Sine angle R is directly proportional to sine angle I. Am I right?
जी सर वो
And it
थोड़ा
fits
भंड
here.
मार दिया था.
Am I right? It fits here. Is it clear to everyone?
जी सर.
Okay. You guys are tired? Taking
Sir,
too much
last
classes?
yes sir. You.
Taking too much classes. Looking forward for actual physical classes starting from 15th.
सर वो कंफर्म हो गया अभी.
They'll most probably allow. Most probably. You know, I've been talking to Shafkat Mahmood and Prime Minister, and I asked them to please open the schools. So let's see.
क्या
how-
क्या बोला सर
सर
उन्होंने?
एक हफ्ते की बात है सर, एक हफ्ते बाद फिर बंद हो जाएंगे।
Oh my
सही
God.
बात है।
जो बात है
Because you guys would start doing, you know, things which people do in Corona.
वैसे कोई
एग्जैक्टली।
नहीं
खास
नहीं,
नहीं है
ऐसी
हम
बात
आके।
नहीं है।
सर
Okay.
या तो पूरे फिर स्कूल खोले ना, ये क्या बात हुई कि ब्रेक बंद है,
ये भी बंद है।
और सब बंद है,
Yeah,
ऐसे फालतू भी है।
this was what
सैटरडे
I
भी
was
होना है।
thinking. This was what I was thinking when they, you know, discussed the SOPs, and you guys came into my mind, you know, and when there is no break and then there is no event, you know, how would that motivate you guys to come to school? But this question was shouldn't be asked from Hamza. So I clearly doubt that what's happening here. That is beyond my knowledge. My God.
क्या क्या सर?
हर बंदा बदल गया।
Oh my God.
नहीं सर, ऐसी बात तो नहीं है
Yeah,
सर,
you
ब्रेक सही
are
होता है।
more likely, you know, you're more likely into the class student, not out of the class student, and not the window student. Okay, so that is what I meant here. Okay, let's see. If figure 2.1 shows a
सर बहुत कुछ बदल गया है, 6 महीने हो गए स्कूल बंद।
oh my God. I'm looking, you know, very much forward to see you guys physically in the school. Let's see. Okay. It says figure 2.1 shows a ray of light PQR passing along a simple optical fiber to its end at R. Explain why the ray PQ does not leave the optical fiber at Q. Any ideas?
Total internal reflection angle of incidence is greater than critical, thus the
Yeah,
rays
exactly. These 2 points would be here for 2 marks. Total internal reflection happening since angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle. What about explain why the ray QR changes direction at R? For 1 mark.
angle of
सर
incidence
एंगल
is
ऑफ इंसिडेंस
smaller
इज
than
लेस
the
देन द
critical
क्रिटिकल
angle.
एंगल।
See, it is now refraction. Basically, light emerges out because it is moving from less optically dense medium to more optically dense medium. I'm sorry, from more optically dense medium to a less optically dense medium. Am I right?
जी sir.
Since light ray changes its medium, so it has to change the direction. Okay. Then the other part that says calculate, yeah, x. How would we calculate x?
सर रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स दिया हुआ है, उससे हम लोग sin i पे x रख देंगे और sin r पे 15 डाल के
1.5 equals sine x over sine 15 degrees. This needs to be kept in mind that I am using x because this is in less optically dense medium. Okay. Then I can work out x as sine inverse of 1.5 times sine 15. What's that? 1.5 times sine
23 आएगा आंसर।
23 आएगा आंसर।
22.84, absolutely correct. 23.0 degrees. That's it. Then we move on to the other part. It says state one advantage of optical fibers rather than copper wires for carrying telephone communication. One advantage.
सर वो cheaper,
carry
lighter
data with
और
long
less
Okay, yeah. You know, copper wires are far more
data
cheaper.
loss.
Copper wires are far more cheaper as compared to optical fibers. So this is not an advantage. This exactly is a disadvantage since optical fibers are far more
डेटा
cheap.
अनइंटरप्टेड होता है और मतलब
Exactly.
ज्यादा
Better
तेजी से कैरी
communication
हो सकता है।
speed. Yeah, better communication speed. But if I ask you one disadvantage of optical fibers, so optical fibers are far more
एक्सपेंसिव
expensive. Okay.
एक्सपेंसिव।
Then it says in the next part. Okay. Why is always people in the waiting room?
सर वो पहले आया था, वो नेट का थोड़ा सा मसला हो गया था, तो क्या नाम है वो
Okay,
लेट
but
गया।
please don't mind, better Basil. Please don't. I can clearly understand your point. Figure 4.1 shows an old one displayed in a museum. This is what we did in the class. Am I right? Good, good old days. Back to school. So I won't be able to, measure the exact distance here, but you can do that exactly since I'm not having a hard copy here. So it says the coin is vertical and supported by a transparent stand. A vertical mirror is 0.17 meters behind the coin, ensures that the back of the coin can be seen by a visitor looking from the line at P. M is the point on the back of the coin. Okay. So on figure 4.1, draw two rays of light from M to show how its image is produced. Okay, so how would we do that? Any ideas? No one?
सर कॉइन के डिस्टेंस के इक्वली हम लोग मिरर की दूसरी साइड पे एक कॉइन बनाएंगे और उसको पी से ज्वाइन कर देंगे।
Can you set annotate on my screen? Would you like to do that?
स्क्रीन शेयर बंद हो
सर
गई सर।
मोबाइल से मुश्किल हो जाएगा थोड़ा।
Okay. Can anyone else do that? Who knows the answer? No one? So how would I draw two rays of light from M to show how its image is produced? So if I'm not wrong, what should I do? Anyone? Hello?
जी सर।
First, I should
सर
mark.
मैं एनोटेट सर।
You are more than welcome to do that.
सर वो ऑप्शन नहीं आया।
I hadn't disabled annotation. So it's only 2 minutes. Okay, that's fine. But where this see how do you know that this would be the exact angle? That is my concern here. This is absolutely correct, but how would we know that where this line should go? The way you draw
सर
it.
क्योंकि अगर इमेज प्रोड्यूस होगी तो आगे तक जाएगा ये।
First, you need to mark 1.17.
नहीं ना
Exactly.
भाई सर वो मिरर प्लेन से 0.17 लेफ्ट साइड पे होगा, फिर वो डॉटेड लाइन करके होगा, फिर पता चल जाएगा।
Exactly. So this would be 0.17 meters. Am I right?
हाँ जी जी।
So this would be a dot here, and a line would be going straight to P. Am I right?
हाँ
And then this would be the reflected ray, and this
और
would
फिर ये
am I right?
जी जी जी
So this would be angle I and angle R. It was said, am I doing it correct?
जी सर।
Hamza, everyone, Saryam, do you understand? Any questions? Any suggestions?
नहीं सर
Yes.
जो लाइन जो पॉइंट पी है उससे वो देख रहे हैं ना, तो इंसिडेंस ये वाली लाइन नहीं होगी जो आपने उल्टा करा है मेरे ख्याल से।
See, when you see something, your eyes receive something. Am I right? They don't send a light signal towards an object. So basically, you get what is received by your eye. So that can never be incident. Am I right, Ammar?
अच्छा ओके।
Since we don't have eyes like Superman that emit, that red rays, Okay. So state
ओके ओके
distance from point M on the coin to its image. So that would be again what distance? Low. Low. Anyone?
0.34.
0.34.
34.
Distance from point M on the coin to its image would be 0.17 times 2. That is 0.34.
Yes.
Excellent. Okay. So, beta, we can keep things up till here. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.
Lapis.
सर स्कूल